Let's look at percentages in Excel. I'd like to work out the percentage each person achieved in their sales. I can use the auto sum button to get the total, or else I can use the shortcut key Alt equals, which does the same thing. It's auto sum and will add up these figures for me. To get the percentage, in the old days we would have taken the figure divided by the total, then times 100 over 1. In Excel, we take the figure, divide it by the total, and then we just hit the percentage button on the formatting ribbon to get the times 100 over 1, and it will format that number to a percent for us. Let's take a look. We're going to go equals, Agent Jones's figure, divided by the total. I need to lock in that total so they all are divided by the same total. So I pressed F4 there. And now I need to format the answer to a percent. So I've hit the percent button. And I've copied that formula down. Let's do it again. So I need a total here. So I'm going to use the shortcut Alt equals. Then I'll work out the percentage. So equals the Northland figure divided by the total. Press F4 to lock in the total. And then format that number to a percent, either using the icon or the shortcut Control-Shift-5. Then use the fill handle, double click to copy that down. If you'd like more detail, you can increase the decimal place. So to recap, we've got Alt equals for AutoSum. To lock a cell in, to make it fixed, we press the F4 function key, and to change a number to a percent, Control-Shift-5. And that will format your answer as a percent.